Hey guys, Breakaholics here again. We're going to open up a few boxes of 1819 Engrained hockey. We've done a few of them in the 1920. We like this product. Very good quality.
Definitely.
So let's jump right in.
I'm excited.
Yeah, good cards in these. Thick pack.
We like thick packs.
Yeah, these don't say how many cards are in each pack either.
No, and I always forget.
So, we'll see.
I'm going to count one of these days.
You can probably switch it up. Okay, so Jack Eichel, first card. Like that wood grain.
Yeah, I like how their base cards are that wood grain. Oh, that one's numbered.
Number 299, 201 of 299. Jordan Greenway, 276, 299.
Rookie card, too.
Here we go. Signature shots. Could have been a better one, but it's alright. These are still nice cards.
Someone out there's got to be a fan.
Mm-hmm. Here we go. Carey
Ooh,
Price.
Yeah, we'll
Signature
take that.
remnants. Wow. On-card auto. It's pretty scratched. I don't know if you can see that. These cards they make like this get scratched pretty easy. But yeah, Carey Price, signature remnant. 14 of 35. On-card auto. Pretty cool stuff. Sergei Bobrovsky, another remnant. Number 200, number 80 of 100. Another nice card.
Yeah.
Not as scratched. Same style. And the last card, Synthesis, Nico. For the Devils. Too bad it's not a Jack Hughes, but that's okay. Nice cards.
We'll get that elusive Jack Hughes one of these days.
One that was Okay. Second and last box for this vid.
So,
Another thick pack.
6 cards in the pack.
Okay. Looks like this one has 7. And it looks like it has a carved in time. See if it's Gretzky. Alright, Brock Besser. Number 299, base card. Miro Heiskanen, stud player. Dallas. Let's see if we get a good signature shot right here. Jordan Greenway. Blue ink.
I like the blue
Yeah, the
ink. It
blue-
looks really cool.
Blue ink on the black. Looks really cool. There we go.
Nice.
We like the Knights.
We do, and that's a rookie patch.
Thomas Heika,
yeah. I'll take it.
For sure. Number 9 is 65.
I like how we got the gold.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, it's like coming apart too. Got nicked up. Okay, the carved in time. Martin Brodeur, Devils. These are cool cards. Oh, you could see. It looks like you could either see the engraving from the other one they made on the front of this or the back coming through. I don't know if you can see that on the camera. But yeah, it's totally coming through. Those are cool cards.
Yeah.
We got a Pavel Bure, number to 49, that darker.
Oh, but that's that ebony parallel.
Yeah. And then PK Subban.
Nice.
118 299. And the Predators uni.
We're kind of hoping he'll come to Seattle.
Yeah. So it looks like out of these two, definitely cool rookie patch auto RPA number to 65, Thomas Heika. And we got the Sergei Borovsky remnant beat up stick, pretty cool. But I think this is the real hitter.
Yeah, that carry price is
Mhm.
nice.
On card auto, a little scratched, but got the stick remnant in there. Pretty cool stuff. So, yeah, game used memorabilia. It's the first of many videos. We got a bunch of boxes to break, and you know, later on we'll announce our YouTube or message us if you want any of these cards. We're looking for old Seattle Thunderbirds, so obviously Matt Barzell would be a big one, but any of them. Shea Theodore's another big one. Ethan Bear, even some no-namers now like Landon Bowe and Calvin Pickard from the past. And so yeah, that's what we're hunting for. We're not hunting for these kind of cards. They're nice, but yeah, we want to go WHL players that have gone to the NHL. So even our surrounding, you know, Everett Silvertips, we got, you know, Portland Winterhawks.
Yeah, Cody Glass.
Yeah, Cody Glass, Carter Hart. So
Mm-hmm.
that's what we're hunting for. We're going to build a collection of those. So these other ones we don't need. So yeah, if anyone wants any, we're going to do a lot of giveaways too. We don't really need to sell everything. We'd rather give some away too. So yeah, just keep a lookout. Stay tuned. We'll be back. Thanks, guys.
Thank you.